In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive chart using the website live.amcharts.com. So we have to move to Chrome first and type in the search box as live.amcharts.com. In the previous video, I have told you how to sign in this website. So we are directly moving to create a chart. So click make a chart. Here I am going to make a sample chart. So I am clicking a random outline. So now we're going to create a sample students mark list. So we can change the data here. We can change category 1 title to student 1 and category 2 to student 2 and category 3 to student 3. And we can also change the title of column 1. As we are creating now the students mark list, we can change the column 1 to subject 1 and column 2 to subject 2, and we can give random marks out of 100. So I have changed the data. Now you can change the chart title, axis title, or even the title of graph 1 and graph 2. So to change this, you have to drag down here and click title and click title 1. So here clear the chart title and give your title students marks. And to change now it has been changed, and to change the axis title, click value axis and click value axis 1. So clear the axis title and give your axis title. So it has been changed. Now to change the title of graph 1 and graph 2, click graphs and click amgraph 1 and clear the title of graph 1 and change it to subject 1 and click amgraph 2 to change the title of graph 2 and change it to subject 2. So it has been changed. And there are also options available to change the theme. So here is the option. You can change the chart. You can change the theme. So there are options available here. I'm giving a random one. So I have created. So to export this, you can click export option and move to download symbol, and you can download this chart as PNG, JPG, SVG or PDF. So I'm randomly giving a download as JPG. So there is another option here. You can also save this chart. You can save this and also you can publish this one. So give a random chart title as marks. And you can also write some description here if you need, and save this one. So it has been saved. Now you can publish and share. So the chart you have created has been shown here, and you can publish this one and share this one through your social network, and even you can copy this link and type in the Chrome search box and you will reach out this chart. And to if you want to customize the look, you can change the theme, width, height, corner, margin, shadow, and so much more. And if you want to change the background also, you can change the background image. I am randomly giving some background image and show how it shows. And if you want to edit this chart again, click edit this chart, and you can also edit the data here. And there is another option. If you want the data through code, click code and click save HTML and click copy to clipboard. Open the notepad and copy this one and save the file in the HTML path so that only you can view that. So I'm giving a random title but using the HTML path only. So I have signed in. So if you click this web.html, if you reach out this web.html page, you can reach out this one. It's pretty loading and you can see the chart here. Your created chart will be seen in the path of HTML. So when you drag down, you can view the average percent also. So it is also pretty easy. So you can make use of this particular website live.amcharts.com. So thank you for watching this video.